Potstickers. Ingredients: pork filling, 12 ounces ground pork, 1 baby bok choy, diced, 6 water chestnuts, diced, 2 green onions, thinly sliced, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 2 teaspoons minced fresh ginger, 3 teaspoons sesame oil, 2 teaspoons salt, half teaspoon cracked black pepper, 2 eggs, lightly beaten, 30 round wonton wrappers, 4 tablespoons vegetable oil, divided, 1/3 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons rice wine vinegar, 1½ teaspoons gochujaru, Korean chili powder, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 green onion, thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds. Directions: place all filling ingredients into a bowl and mix together until well combined. Set aside. Brush perimeter of a wonton wrapper with the beaten egg and fill center with 1 heaping tablespoon of pork filling. Open your dominant hand, palm side up, and hold fingers together. Place the filled and open wonton wrapper onto your fingers and fold the wrapper in half, only sealing the corner of one side. Using your other hand, push small pleats onto one side of the wrapper, pressing and sealing with the hand holding the pot sticker. Set aside and repeat until all filling and wrappers have been used. Heat a large, heavy bottom skillet over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons oil. Add 5 to 6 pot stickers to skillet, so the crimped side is up, and pan fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Add about 3 tablespoons water to the pan and cover for 2 to 4 minutes or until the wonton wrappers have softened and steamed and the filling has finished cooking through. Remove from heat and repeat until all pot stickers have been cooked. Serve immediately with dipping sauce. Place all ingredients into a small bowl and whisk together. Serve with pot stickers.